hanger with cable system, installation is simple. Before beginning, review the installation guide and drawings. Make sure all system components are accounted for and verify you have the appropriate tools necessary. Locate the edge guard and attach it to the metal inlet collar. Install the fabric inlet on the metal collar. The zipper start should be at the 12 o'clock location. Adjust and tighten the inlet bolt. Install sheet metal screws through the plastic patches to secure the inlet collar. Roll back the inlet collar cover-up sleeve to conceal the inlet belt and anchor. Mount the eye bolt 3 inches from the 12 o'clock location of the Ductsox. Using the thimble and 2 cable clamps, secure the cable to the eye bolt. On the opposite end, mount the eye bolt at the same elevation. Attach the turnbuckle and tighten. Install the mid-supports, spacing them no more than 12.5 feet apart. Clip the excess cable. Locate the adjoining fabric section and attach the glider attachments onto the cable. Zip the section to the inlet collar. Place the hangers onto the cable. The location of the D-clasps will help identify where the hangers are placed. Insert the D-clasp into the slot on the hanger end. Lock the D-clasp in place by rotating down. Place the cable stop next to the glider located at the inlet. After installing all sections, turn on the air handling unit. Install a cable stop before the last glider next to the end cap. This is used to put a slight tension on the straight sections of the Ductsox. Install plugs onto each hanger to prevent the hanger from sliding off the cable. Congratulations, your system is complete. For assistance during installation, contact Ductsox Customer Service.